Hey everybody.
Hey guys.
Today we're here at SeaWorld in Orlando, and the brand new Icebreaker roller coaster is opening. The official date isn't until February 18th, but because I came enough times in December and I have an annual pass, I got to earn a VIP experience. Yesterday was the media event, which was Thursday the 27th. Today is Friday, January 28th. So we're excited. It is an overcast today. It's kind of cold, but this is a exciting roller coaster. It's considered family style, which means that the height requirement isn't as high as a lot of the other coasters. So they're calling like intermediate before Mako, but if your kids are feeling frisky, this might be a good chance to get them on a roller coaster. So I'm excited. I'm nervous. It does go backwards a couple times, and that's not my favorite feeling.
Unfortunately, I don't think I'm gonna be able to ride. I didn't come enough times because Erin came without me in December, but definitely try to film the best we can. Erin has a GoPro, so hopefully she'll be able to film.
I'm gonna try, guys. It'll be
and I'll try to film her off the ride.
Yeah.
So, alright, let's go ride this ride.
Let's do it.
Woo!
We are Kim and Erin, and this is Zach and Cody. We are best friends living and traveling full-time in our renovated RV, Lucy. We have been on the road since October 2020, so please subscribe to join in on all the fun.
RVTV, K&E RVTV, sing it with us. RVTV.
So here's a look at Icebreaker from across the lake. You first start off by going backwards, and you go up that vertical spike just a little bit, and then you come back through. You launch a little bit, and then you go almost to the top, and then you go backwards again. Then you go backwards all the way up this. It's actually more than vertical spike, so you go up way higher that second time. You come back down and you do the launch, and it's gonna shoot you right over the hump. Nice little drop there, nice air time. I can't see what else is back there right now. There's a little bit. You go back there behind Bayside Stadium, and then you're gonna come back around, and then you end here with a few more little bunny hills for some airtime. I can see the people come out their seat a little bit, and that's the end. So here's a look at the test seat, and it's actually a pretty big seat.
It is.
I got a big butt, and I fit in here, and I actually got the green light. So I think I may ride it.
Kim has never got to ride Mako. This is the closest thing she'll be able to get to. So I'm giving her, because we only have the one pass, I'm giving it a chance for her to ride it because I'm a little scared. I don't love going back.
Oh my god.
But we do have another, we have an annual pass preview that is at that. Like,
yeah, so we can come back again.
So we'll come back, yeah. So there she is. Kim! Woo! Have some fun. Don't puke. Don't puke. Woo, she's so excited. I'm happy for her. You better film some good stuff. Bye.
Okay, I'm on the GoPro, guys, and I can't wait. I'm so excited. Hopefully I fit, yeah, on this ride I fit in the test seat, so hopefully we're good to go. I'm so excited. Can't wait to take you guys with us. The cover on here is nice. They even have fans, and I'm getting on real soon. This is what it looks like. So the train pulls out of the station, and then the track moves over to that side, and then you launch backwards. So I am riding in row number 7. I am next to get on. Alright guys, I am in. The little buckle buckles into here, and I am ready to go. I'm so excited, my heart is pounding so fast. Ooh, my heart is pounding. I'm so excited to go on a ride. I'm so excited. Woo. I'm ready to break the ice. Bye! So we start off on this track over here, and then we're gonna move on this little conveyor belt. Oh my god. more intense than I thought it was gonna be. That was really thrilling. Hi, Aaron! That was so fun. I think Aaron's gonna be able to ride it right now, so we'll get her reaction too. Oh, that was so fun.
Here she comes. We'll see what she thinks. I'm so happy she got on this ride, guys. Like, it makes my heart so happy. Can you spot the Kim? Can you find her in her natural habitat here at theme parks? I see her. Oh my God, what did you think?
So fun.
Really?
Wow. That spike was really cool.
Is that like the best part?
Over the, going the top, I think, was the best part.
Yeah.
But
How'd you like the bunny hops?
it was good.
It was good. Were you freezing? No.
My adrenaline's going on in the hair.
So I made you take your sunglasses off. Do you think you would have lost them? No. Okay. I'm glad you had fun.
Your turn.
Woo.
Here's a look at it from the back side here, coming over the hump. Wow, it was so fun. Here's a look at the new icebreaker merch that they have going on here. There's t-shirts and water bottles. A nice SeaWorld boat shirt, $44.99. Isn't it nice? These ones don't say a price, but pretty cool. Hello. Okay, so we had to come over here across the lake to get away from the music. They have a DJ tonight. The music was super loud over there.
Yeah.
So if you hear any weird music during the video today, it was because there's a DJ over there with copyright loud music. But Erin, what'd you think of the ride?
I loved it. It was so much fun. It was literally like a teenager Mako. If you've been on Mako, which is the first newest roller coaster before Icebreaker here in SeaWorld, and it's such a fun ride. It's very smooth. There's no inversions. A lot of air time. Icebreaker, a lot of air time.
Yeah, you got a lot of air time.
Backwards,
And it was so smooth.
Yeah, that's the best part about new roller coasters. They're super smooth, but it was so much fun. Like, I enjoyed it thoroughly. I can't wait to come back.
Definitely a great intermediate coaster before you can go on Mako if you do have younger kids that don't have a lot of roller coaster experience. But it still was very intense.
Yeah, it's definitely still a thrill ride.
Yeah,
it was
for sure.
so much fun.
So highly
so
recommend
happy
it.
we came. Yeah, we had a great time. We actually just watched the
Shamu show?
yes.
Well, Orca Encounter is
There you
also
go.
a show.
I know. I was like, it's not Shamu anymore. But we had a great time. We love this park. SeaWorld does a lot.
Yeah, if it wasn't for us being annual pass holders, we wouldn't have been able to come do this today. So there's a lot of perks to being SeaWorld annual pass
Oh my
holders.
God! Compared to Disney World, and we've done both for years and years and years, but SeaWorld definitely steps up their game. They give you free food. We had a free picture,
free icy,
free
today.
icy. Like, we've had a lot of free things, especially during the festivals. You get a couple free punches here. Like, SeaWorld, check it out. Like, it's a good place.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video.
Yeah, if you did, please give it a like. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe, and we will see you in the next episode.
Bye guys.
Bye.